Itlog po na nilaga, hinaluan ko lang po siya ng mayonnaise, sesame oil, sesame seeds, konting Himalayan salt. Tapos ibabalik ko na po siya sa white egg at lalagyan ko po siya ng blueberries at cherry tomato gamit ang toothpick. Ayan po, napakadali lang po. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas everyone. Ready na pong ating breakfast for my low carb journey. Thank you and God bless. Bye-bye.